Hello, my name is Kingsley. I am a digital asset trader in Benin City, Nigeria. Over the past 3 years, I have taken to trading cryptocurrencies. I am helping others also get on to learn and know more about cryptocurrency and how to trade the $3 trillion market. Welcome to my official YouTube channel. On this channel, I make videos to inform, entertain, and educate you on cryptocurrency trading and investing, so you can make the right trades, business, and inform investment decisions. Expect videos on collateral free cryptocurrency loans, buying and investing in cryptocurrency, decentralized finance, how to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, non-fungible tokens and NFTs, trading plans, how to use decentralized exchanges, or what we call DEXs, how to use exchanges in Nigeria, and a little bit about myself, personal finance, and my trading style, and so on. I am here to help and guide you. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss my videos. I'm making every Monday 9 a.m. and Saturdays 7 p.m. every week.